Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we'll be taking a look at Resurrection Remix for Oneplus 6, which is based on Android Pie. So without further ado, let's get started. I've already installed it on my Oneplus 6, so let me show you the software information by going to Settings, System, About Phone, and here you can see Android version is Android 9.0, that is Android Pie. Resurrection Remix version 7.0, Android security patch level is 5th Jan 2019 and the vendor security patch is 5th September 2018. I've been using this ROM almost from past 3 to 4 days. The day it was released, it was still not available on XDA. It's available for many other devices too, that you can find it out in the description below. The ROM comes along with the applications like audio effects, Lineage OS camera, music app and wallpaper application. All basic things like VoLTE services, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, alert slider, everything is working fine on this ROM and it can be used as daily driver. I'm not a huge fan of Lineage camera, so instead of that I have installed Google Camera application and I'll update the direct link in the description below. You can download and you just have to simply install and start using the camera application. If you face any kind of issues with the portrait mode, then you can go to More, Settings, Advanced under Quick Settings, tap Fix and change the RAW format to default. Then you won't face any kind of issues with the portrait mode. And this is one of the highly customizable ROM with lots of features included in this. All the customization options can be found here under Resurrection Tools inside the setting panel, where you have customizations related to status bar, quick setting, recents, lock screen, animation, miscellaneous, interface, navigation, buttons and about, where you have all the changelogs and the social media platforms for this ROM. You can also get cool animations of your quick setting tiles by changing them from here. We also have few screen off animations, so one of my favorite is CRT, so this is how it looks. We get option to change LCD density, smart pixel options are available, which will shut down few pixels to reduce the power consumption. We have pre-installed fonts available and pie gestures are also available. Then under display we have adaptive brightness, live display, style consists of few themes, that is automatic based on wallpaper, automatic based on time of the day, light and dark theme also works for the settings panel. Few pre-installed Essence color are also available. Then we have option of full screen applications which can be enabled from here. Ambient display consists of always on display, double tap to wake, double tap to sleep. Under sounds we have Pixel sounds available, which is only exclusive for Pixel devices. Then few gestures are available like touchscreen gestures, jump to camera, swipe up on the home button, and all the touch gestures are working fine. Talking about battery life, as I said, I have been using this ROM from almost past 3 to 4 days and I have taken a screenshot of the first cycle in which the screen on time was 4 hours and 58 minutes with 11% of battery still remaining, which was really great as per my usage. And now let's take a look at the benchmark results using Geekbench application and Antutu Bench application. With Geekbench application, single core have scored 2397, wherein multi-core have scored 8852. With Antutu benchmark application, device have scored 2,86,415. So there are no compromises done with the performance too. So guys, that was a quick look on Resurrection Remix for Oneplus 6, and if you guys are willing to install it, then you can follow the installation guide. To install Resurrection Remix on Oneplus 6, first download all the required files given in the description below and install TWRP recovery. If you are not aware about installing TWRP recovery, check the video given in the description below. We also need to flash latest Oxygen OS on both the partitions, that is A and B. So first, after we have TWRP recovery, flash Oxygen OS on A partition, then flash TWRP installer and reboot recovery. After reboot, flash again Oxygen OS, that will be flashed on partition B, and also flash TWRP installer to avoid replacing of recovery. And then again reboot to recovery. After when you are again back to recovery, now you need to go to wipe, select Dynamic Caches and system. Once done, then flash RR-ROM followed by the TWRP installer. Now again reboot recovery. After we are again back into TWRP recovery, now flashing of ROM has been completed. Now we need to flash the Google App package. So flash Google App package. Once it is flashed, if you want to root your device, you can flash Magisk or just flash TWRP installer and reboot your device. And your device will boot up in 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, if you have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.